So here's an example of the SL ring where the leads are broken off. These are just going to show you where you're inserting the SL ring, but it's not necessary for it to stay on. You're using these tabs right here, the bayonet mounts, that insert on the spotlight right here, and it still stays on. So you're just going to pop it on and twist it, and you can see you're all good.
This is how you install the cable on the back of the SL. So you start with taking off the protective cap, and then you take the SL cable and add heat shrink tubing. Put both of them on and make sure that it's all the way on. When you pull it back, it won't go. And if you need to redo it, you can press the button and put it back in. And then put the heat shrink tubing as far forward as you can. And then take a heat gun and heat shrink the heat shrink as close to forward as you can. The heat shrink has adhesive on it, so once it's heat shrink on, it shouldn't move. And what's important is the heat shrink keeps this button from being pressed. So once it's on permanently. So you can see at the end, this button is completely enclosed in the heat shrink, and this is not going to move anymore. So then after that, you take zip ties and you connect the cable right behind this part of the Unity spotlight, and you zip tie it in place. Cut off the end, and you'll notice that when you turn the spotlight, you get the whole range of motion, and the cable will stay for the entire operation of the vehicle.